Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the plugins in Java Eclipse IDE. Now the thing is that what are plugins? Plugin is a type of small software which enhance the computability of existing software, computer, everything. Many software has its own plugins and multiple types of plugins. Today we will discuss about the plugins of Java Eclipse IDE. First of all, we will check the installed plugin in our Eclipse, and further we will install a new plugin in our Java Eclipse IDE. Okay, let's check. Go to About Eclipse IDE and check installation details. It will display the installed software, installation history, and its plugin there here. Some are by default when we install Eclipse IDE, but the question is that how can we install our desired plugin? Okay, let's go to the help. Go to the help, then install new software. Here you will place the plugin link. Today we will install a new plugin known as Java Builder, Windows Builder. The functionality of Java Windows Builder is that it will provide an interface where we drag and drop like tables, buttons, columns, date picker, everything GUI based, just drag and drop. Okay, first we look at the website. Here we copy the link. This link will also be given in description below. Okay, copy it and then paste here. It will show, if the link is correct, then it will show this window builder. Okay, we check this, again check this, then next. It will display what will install on our computer. Swing designer documentation, everything here. Okay, next. Now we accept the terms and condition, then finish here. Thanks for watching. See you in next lecture. Allah Hafiz.